Wagwan YouTube, what's popping, what's good? And so today we are doing a double ninja or double space bun hair tutorial. So guys, stay tuned for that. As you guys can see, I am taking my hair out of my 4 sections that I have them in, and my hair is looking like this. I am overdue for a trim, guys. So stay with me. So we're going in with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in conditioner, and this is my favorite leave-in conditioner so far. Well, I haven't tried any other one, is it? So yeah, whatever. So this is my favorite leave-in conditioner that I like to apply to my hair. I'm going with the Contour Daily Moisturizer, and I'm using this to moisturize my hair. Going into all 4 sections, and I am applying all that moisture. Now I'm going in with the Wild Growth Hair Oil, guys. I am using this on my hair, on my scalp, to help with my hair growth, because I'm trying to grow out my hair. As you guys can see, it is very thin, and I'm also applying that to the end of my hair as well. Massaging that in. I'm taking my rat tooth comb, guys. Don't pay no mind. We're using the end, okay? We're using the end to part our hair out. So I'm going to part my hair into 2 sections. I'm trying to make that part as neat as possible. Okay, so that's what it should look like when you have it parted. If you guys can do it even neater, then you can. So I am just putting this side of my hair into a scrunchie, and then we'll work on the other side. Going in with the Eco Styling Gel. This one is with argan oil, and I'm just adding that towards the base of my hair. I'm going all the way around. Then I will be smoothing that in with a brush. Just combing the hair up into the direction that I want it. I want the bun to be on the top of my head, so I'm just brushing that upwards, and then I'll take my scrunchie or hair tie to put my hair into a small puff. So now that we have that puff on one side, we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we have our hair into 2 sections. I'm going to detangle the end, and then I'll apply my first twist. This is a protective style, you guys, because we're protecting our hair end. So we're going to twist our hair, and we're going to wrap our hair around the base of that scrunchie, okay? When I was younger, my mom used to comb my hair like this, and she would take some little clips and put it on my hair like this. So I have my hair like this. By the end of the day, my hair would look like this. Or she would just leave it like this and just add the clips on the end, so my hair would be like, it was cute. But we're about to do the adult version, okay? I'm just gonna do like a little bun. Okay, so if your guys' twist is bigger than mine, obviously you could just leave your hair like this with those 2 puffs. but I need help, so I'm going to apply hair extension to the end of my hair. So you guys, as if you use this hair already, this is a Yaman hair, and this is in number 1B, and I'm just taking a section of that. I probably could have went smaller. I probably could have worked with smaller sections of the hair, because as you guys can see that my space buns are huge. So yeah, basically I just take that and I just wrap that around that little bun that I had. Try to play with this and adjust it as much as possible. As I said before, you could go a bit smaller, but I was being a bit over dramatic and I did that huge bun there. So just play with it until you like the way that it looks. And here, if it's not clear, I am going in with hairpins to hold the hair down on the base of my hair, so that in the case it got bounced or something, it doesn't fly off. Okay, so use hairpins to hold that hair on. Huge ass space bun, Jesus Christ. Hey, big girl, look at them space bun, me. No sir. Okay, so now we're going in with that Canada hair wax, right? Or hair wax, or you can use a edge control. This acts just the way an edge control acts, but it holds the hair even better. The only downfall with this product is that once water catches it, it leaves a white residue on your hair. So I don't really have a problem with that, because I do wash out the front part of my hair every time I take a shower, so I don't mind. But if you do reapply it all the time and there's moisture there, it will leave a white residue. So I'm just going in and I'm creating some baby hairs. This part is optional. If you don't want to add baby hairs, you don't have to, but I like them, so I'm going to add them in. So I'm taking my time, just swooping them into the direction that I want them. And then I just repeat the same thing on the other side. So now we're gonna tie our hair down to reduce frizz and to lay our baby hair down even more. So I leave this on for about 10 minutes or so, and I did go in and apply my hair accessories. I got these from a wholesale here in Jamaica. It's really cheap, guys. So I just add those onto the buns just to add a little pizzazz, jazz it up a little bit. Okay, so this part is also optional. If you don't like all those pretty stuff, you don't have to do it. So after 10 minutes, I am taking down my hair tie, and this is what my hair is looking like. Checking the back to see that it's okay, and the black pepper grain are their own dear, so you know. Okay, so this is what our hair is looking like, guys. Hope you like this hairstyle as much as I did like wearing it as a protected style for the week. And thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support also, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, Okay, toodles.